Good morning, welcome to Our Dream in the Woods. I milled these blocks a couple weeks ago. They're 16 by 16 out of some jack pine, just a monstrous jack pine butt. And I'm gonna make this the base of a log deck that I'll be able to roll or put the several logs at one time on with the skid steer and then roll them onto the sawmill as needed. That'll alleviate having to stop what you're doing, get the skid steer, get a log. It should make things more efficient, and these should make a great base. All right, I got the rough layout here. I'm not going to be too picky about how everything lines up. This is just going to be industrial. It's heavy, it's stout, it should hold logs. I'm going to put a couple of 10-inch industrial screws or connection screws. And then I got these brackets. I'm going to put some brackets in just with some screws. Not necessarily to worry about the force down, but when I go around to moving these, the idea is that I'll be able to pick these up with the skid steer, move them out of the way, clean. If I want them to be closer, I'll have the options to do that. And then a little walkway here. I'm going to make a bridge that will connect to the sawmill, so you'll be able to roll the logs right onto the sawmill. So that's what I got going on. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is put some kind of stop here. So when a log rolls, I don't want it to roll into this runway here. I want something to go against. I honestly just walked around Home Depot until I saw something I thought would work, and so that's just a galvanized fence post. It was 8 foot long. I just cut it in half, and then I got some of these brackets that go on that. I find if I spread them out, get them screwed in, they should be loose enough to come in and out fairly easily. And then I might put some kind of a blocking. Yeah, it seems plenty high. It's probably 2 feet or something like that, so maybe less. So that should be plenty, so they should be able to hit the ground, no problem. So anyway, everything else seems like it's working good. Did pretty good getting this project done. I definitely think it'll support some logs. only a little bit worried about it being tippy, but those blocks, the 16 by 16 blocks, they probably weigh 80, 90, 100 pounds each, so they're pretty stout. It's just if they would tip over from side to side, there's nothing to support them from just topping over. It's also out of level a little bit, so it's actually tilted back away from the mill, and that might be something to consider, just to see how. I mean, it's only like an inch, maybe inch and a half, depending on which one, and worst comes to worst, just lift it up and shim the back of it. I didn't really worry about the base being perfect. I just put some boards underneath it to get it level, but it should work. The little system I derived for this seems like it's going to be good. I mean, there will be some force on that, so that upper, we just have to watch that upper bracket, but the bottom post is going against the block, so that shouldn't be too bad. So the last thing I got to do is make some bridge pieces to bridge to the sawmill platform there, but I'm going to do that a different day. So kind of hot out here, beautiful day. Gonna go back to the house and have some lunch. Well, first logs on the log deck. Let's see, 5 logs here, 3 big and 2 small. It's holding, so that's good. Fall over, and looks like we'll be able to roll those with the PV. So looking good. Let's get this on. All right. Oh, let me get the bunks up.
Probably, I don't know, if you're in the middle here.
Yeah.
Alright, we're on.
Yeah, we can get the PV now to do the rest. Or yeah, good job. It works. And that, yeah, those can sit like that when we're. Very nice.